Have you ever thought about how the right tire can transform your electric vehicle's performance? In today's video, we're diving into the world of EV tires, what makes them different, and why choosing the right set can make a big difference. The secret? It's all in the tires. Yes, the right set of tires can transform your electric vehicle in ways you wouldn't believe. As electric vehicles become more popular, one important factor is often overlooked: the tires. While many focus on the battery and motor, the tires play a crucial role in the overall performance of your EV. EV tires aren't just regular tires, they're specially designed to handle unique EV needs. These tires are engineered to meet the specific demands of electric vehicles, ensuring optimal performance and safety. From range and efficiency to noise reduction and longevity, we'll explore everything you need to know about tires for electric cars. Understanding these aspects can help you make an informed decision when it comes to choosing the right tires for your EV. EVs are different from gas cars in several ways. They have unique characteristics that require specialized components, including tires. They're heavier due to battery packs, deliver instant torque, and prioritize efficiency. These factors put different demands on the tires compared to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Regular tires might not provide the durability, grip, or quietness that EVs need. Using standard tires on an EV can lead to faster wear and tear, reduced range, and a noisier ride. EV-specific tires are designed with these factors in mind, making a significant impact on range, performance, and safety. These tires are built to handle the unique stresses and requirements of electric vehicles. The first big feature is low rolling resistance. This is a critical aspect for EV tires. EV tires roll with minimal friction, meaning less energy is required to move the car. This helps improve your car's range and efficiency. Low rolling resistance is essential for maximizing the distance you can travel on a single charge. Next, they're durable to handle the extra weight of EVs without wearing out too quickly. The added weight of the battery packs means that EV tires need to be more robust and long-lasting. And because EVs are so quiet, tire noise becomes more noticeable. The absence of engine noise in electric vehicles makes tire noise more prominent, which can affect the overall driving experience. EV tires often have specific designs to reduce road noise, making for a more comfortable ride. These designs include special tread patterns and materials that help minimize noise levels. Let's look at some of the top EV tires on the market today. There are several options available, each with its own set of features and benefits. From brands like Michelin's Energy Saver to Bridgestone's Ecopia, each tire has its own strengths. These brands have developed tires specifically for electric vehicles, focusing on aspects like efficiency, durability, and noise reduction. We'll compare options to help you find the right fit for your EV. Understanding the differences between these tires can help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Choosing the right tires depends on your driving habits. Your choice of tires should reflect how and where you drive your electric vehicle. Are you looking for maximum range, or do you prioritize performance and handling? Different tires offer different benefits, so it's important to consider what matters most to you. We'll share tips to help you pick tires that match your needs and budget. From understanding tire ratings to considering seasonal needs, we'll cover everything you need to know. So, the right tires can make a huge difference in your electric vehicle's range, performance, and overall driving experience. Investing in the right tires can enhance your EV experience in multiple ways. Investing in EV-specific tires means better efficiency, a quieter ride, and longer tire life. These benefits can lead to cost savings and a more enjoyable driving experience over time. Have you tried any of these EV tires, or are you considering an upgrade? Sharing your experiences can help other EV owners make informed decisions. Let us know in the comments. Your feedback and experiences are valuable to the community. Silent watching lets valuable content fade away. Engaging with the content helps it reach a wider audience.